have you ever seen those girls who completely transformed their faces from this to this? Let me tell you, it's not magic. They didn't get surgery or spend thousands on treatments. They just knew the right things to do. And because I'm obsessed with finding the real glow-up secrets, I went full detective mode. I literally read over 100 scientific studies. Yes, actual research papers, journals, and Google Scholar articles, just to find out what really makes someone look beautiful naturally. So in today's video, I'm sharing all the tips I found. All you need to do is pay close attention, because every single tip in this video can seriously change your life. Start building a physical grooming routine. Having habits that take care of your appearance gives you more social leverage. Just by putting yourself together, you make people believe that you are more attractive, and you'll have a higher chance of getting jobs, promotions, a second date, and you'll also get away with more. Your grooming routine should start in the shower. Use products with matching scents so the fragrance layers and lasts longer. Exfoliate, cleanse, moisturize, and always finish with deodorant. If deodorant doesn't work for you, glycolic acid kills odor-causing bacteria so well, you might not even need deodorant anymore. Don't forget to brush your teeth and tongue scrape, because bad breath will instantly make people hate you. If you have time, just pop a tablespoon of good quality coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around for about 5 minutes. This will instantly reduce any bad breath. Make sure your hair is kept clean and healthy, and you can try out extensions or wigs if you want a different look. Also, try out makeup. Even the tiniest bit of makeup can make you look 10 times better. And there are so many makeup styles you can choose from. But there are also ways to level up your looks without makeup, like exfoliating your lips and putting on lip gloss, depuffing your face with ice, and curling your lashes and putting Vaseline on them to make them look longer. Also, dress up. Putting on a cute and comfy outfit and some jewelry immediately makes you feel so much prettier. This will get you from feeling icky and unmotivated to looking 10 times better. Facial symmetry is considered a universal marker of beauty because it shows that you're healthy and physically developed. While you can't naturally change your bone structure, you can create the illusion of facial symmetry with grooming choices like eye makeup, brow shaping with brow mapping techniques, evening out your skin tone with skincare or makeup, facial contouring, teeth whitening, and facial exercises to create a more symmetrical face. The easiest facial exercise you can do today is using a gua sha. If you don't have the tool, make sure to use clean hands and some moisturizer and just do upward motions. I have a whole video on this topic and you can check it out. Facial contrast is one of the biggest hidden beauty secrets. It's basically how much your eyes, lips, and brows stand out against your skin. If your features pop, that's high contrast. If everything kinda blends together, that's low contrast. Faces with higher contrast have things like darker eyelashes, defined brows, and rosier lips. And these are the faces that are always rated as younger and more attractive. And this is true everywhere, across every culture and ethnicity. One simple way to enhance your facial contrast is to simply use makeup. And when you're doing your makeup, focus on the big three. That is your eyebrows, eyelashes, and lips. Those are the contrast zones that make your face pop. If your eyebrows aren't very visible, fill them in lightly to make them more defined, but still natural. You can also shape them to fit your face better, because the wrong brow shape can throw off your entire look. For your lashes, mascara is a simple but powerful tool. It darkens and lifts your lashes, adding instant definition to your eyes. If your lashes are short or thin, use castor oil or a lash serum to help them grow over time. Don't be afraid to get your lashes done, because they give your eyes an insane upgrade. Just avoid those heavy, extreme volume sets that look way too overwhelming. The best results come from sets that are about 1/3 of the eye width. They enhance, not overpower, your eye shape. If you don't want to get them professionally done, you can do your own clusters at home, or just use a lash curler and a good black mascara. Both options add instant volume and work amazingly well. And for your lips, add color. Find a lip liner that matches your skin tone perfectly. Line your lips and then go over it with a lipstick or gloss that enhances your natural shade. These 3 simple steps, brows, lashes, and lips, make a massive difference. Together, they enhance your facial contrast, bring out your features, and give your face that fresh, youthful, instantly prettier look. Body proportions play a huge role in how attractive someone looks. There's actually a study that found that a waist-to-hip ratio of around 0.7 is one of the strongest predictors of perceived female attractiveness across pretty much every culture. It's even more consistent than facial features. So, how can you naturally achieve more of that ratio? The answer is simple. Move your body, eat cleaner, and take care of your posture. Going to the gym genuinely changes your body. Ever notice how gym girls go from this to this in just a few months? This is life-changing. If working out isn't your thing, don't worry. Walking 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day makes so much of a difference. Walking is fun. It's easy, and it's such a vibe. You can throw on your favorite podcast or playlist, enjoy the scenery, and still get fit without even realizing it. Then, of course, there's food. Eating healthy for just 2 months can completely transform the way you look and feel. Start small. Just switch your breakfast and snacks for healthier options. It makes a huge difference. And when it comes to snacks, there are so many easy, tasty recipes that actually feel like treats, but still help you stay on track. And don't forget your posture. It matters more than you think. Standing and sitting straight, keeping your back upright at a 90-degree angle instantly changes the way your body looks. You look taller, slimmer, and more confident. But basically, you don't need to chase a perfect body, just small, consistent habits that bring out your best proportions. There are a few studies that found people with more oxygenated, carotenoid-rich skin tones, meaning rosy cheeks and golden undertones, were consistently rated as healthier and more attractive, even when their facial structure stayed exactly the same. And this was true across all shades of skin. Basically, when your skin has that natural glow, a little bit of pink, a little bit of warmth, it gives the impression of youth and vitality. It's like your skin is saying, I'm healthy. Now, you can totally enhance that effect with makeup, using foundation, bronzer, or blush to add warmth and color back into your face. But you can also get that glow naturally through your diet. Eating foods that are rich in carotenoids, which are found in colorful fruits and vegetables, actually gives your skin a more radiant tone over time. The best sources are red, orange, and green veggies, like these ones. If you want to level it up even more, try exfoliation. And of course, there's always self-tanner if you want an instant glow. Just don't go too orange. The goal is a warm, believable glow that looks like you, but healthier. Another way to glow up fast, and I mean really fast, is by focusing on skin barrier repair. This is honestly one of the most effective ways to get clear, glowy, youthful-looking skin. When your skin barrier is weak or damaged, you get dryness, acne, itchiness, tingling, redness, and that weird uneven texture that no product can seem to fix. A lot of common skincare habits quietly destroy your barrier without you realizing it. Like hearing that tight, squeaky clean feeling after washing your face, that's actually a sign you've gone too far. Over-exfoliating is one of the biggest culprits. It strips away the protective oils your skin needs to stay balanced. Another big mistake is overusing active ingredients. Retinoids, acids, and vitamin serums can be amazing, but only when used correctly. Way too many people use them without realizing that they can leave your skin inflamed, flaky, and sensitive. Here's a short list of what to avoid while repairing your skin. Also avoid too much sun exposure. I've gone through tons of studies on red light therapy, and here's what actually matters. Using red light masks or panels regularly helps keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. It can help with fine lines, acne scars, and even skin tone. Plus, it's super relaxing. You just sit there with your little mask on and let the light do its thing. When you're using it, do about 10 minutes on your back, then another 10 minutes on your face and chest. The distance between the light and your skin is crucial. Keep it around 3 to 6 inches away. Finding that sweet spot ensures your cells get the right amount of energy to trigger collagen production and boost repair without overdoing it. Sleep is everything. Your body literally repairs, detoxes, and regenerates itself while you're asleep, so no skincare routine or expensive treatment can make up for bad sleep habits. If you want that rested and glowing look, you have to treat sleep like part of your beauty routine. There are a few things that you can do to glow up while you sleep. You should be mouth taping at night to keep your mouth closed while you sleep. This trains you to breathe through your nose. You can also use nasal strips. These help open your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe properly and reducing snoring or mild sleep apnea.